What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we got an epic battle of the limiters, man. We got the Waves L1 versus the Korneef EL Juan. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we got an epic battle of the limiters. We got the classic Waves L1 versus the new free download, the Korneef EL Juan. That's EL-JUAN, man. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and check these out. All right, fam. So right here in today's battle, we have the infamous Waves L1. Then we have a new plugin that's in beta mode right now. At the time I'm creating this video, the Korneef EL Juan limiter. That name, as you see, this is the Waves L1 limiter, and this is the EL Juan limiter. We're going to compare these two plugins to see if one sounds better than the other, if you prefer one, or if this new plugin is a new contender, man, that you guys could put into your arsenal, man. What we're going to do, we're going to set these plugins to the same settings to see if we get the same sound, or we may have to tweak one or the other. Both of these plugins are kind of set up the same. You have your input. This is your link right here for your input. You have your threshold. You have your ceiling. You have your release right here. This is a release if you want to auto sync or manual. Same thing over here with the Waves L1. You have your threshold, your output ceiling. You have your release, and this is your knob if you want an auto release. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut on first. We're going to start with the champion, the Waves L1, and get this sounding good. When I like to use this limiter on, I like to use it on, if I'm mixing a 2-track record, I like to bring a limiter in just to add some more beef to the beats, man, because some producers, man, when they're mixing the beats, is either low in volume or some of the sounds are lower than others. I like to bring in a limiter just to be kind of the glue. And then on an overall mix, I'll use a limiter to give me some extra volume. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to have a beat here. Then I have a beat with the vocal. We're going to try the L1 limiter with just the beat. Then we're going to try it with the beat and the vocal. And we'll see which one sounds better, man, if they both sound the same or if you can tell the difference. Like I said, this L1 is in beta mode. So there may be a few tweaks with it or something like that. It may not even work. Who knows, man? But I like the way this plugin looks. It looks good. It looks like a viable plugin. Now let's go ahead and see how this plugin sounds. So let's go ahead and cut this on. First, like I said, we'll start with the beat, and we'll start with the Waves L1 limiter. We'll go ahead and dial this in, and then we'll go from there. The ceiling we'll do, let's do a -3 ceiling with the auto release. Getting some gain reduction here. Let's bypass that. Activate. Bypass. Activate. As you can hear, it just glues everything together. I'm not adding much volume to it. I'm just adding the glue. Again, let's bypass that. Let's activate. All right, I like that right there. So now let's go ahead and try this L1 limiter. Let's go ahead and make the settings the same. So the threshold is negative 5.5. I'm sorry, that's 5.3. All right, the ceiling is negative 3. Matter of fact, let's crank the ceiling up on this one. We'll do the same thing. Nah, let's keep it the same. I'm sorry. Let's keep it the same. Let's not waver the test at all. And then for release, we'll set it to auto. We'll let the auto release go. Let's go ahead and bypass this waves. Now let's go ahead with this EL Juan. Let's go. Okay, let's bypass it. Let's activate. Bypass. Activate. All right, so what we'll do now, let's crank this up a notch, man. Let's go to negative 0.3. Let's do that on both. Let's go ahead and play this EL Juan. Bypass. Activate. I think this EL Juan sounds pretty good, man. These meters look a little weird to me. Like how they kind of jump around a little bit. But other than that, this thing is not bad. All right, let's bypass this and go right into the waves EL Juan. Bypass, waves active. What do you guys think, man? Do you think this EL Juan by Korneef is, I may be saying that wrong, I apologize, is a contender? This is the waves right here. Let's bypass that and go into the EL Juan. Ooh, okay. Let's bypass that. Activate. This is the EL Juan limiter, man. This thing is not bad. Like I said, this is the free plugin right now. It's in beta mode. I don't know the price that this limiter will be, but man, I don't know. Let's do that one more time. Let's start with this EL Juan. We're gonna do one pass through, then we'll go into the waves EL Juan, and let's see if we can get one last test with this. This is the Korneef EL Juan. Let's bypass. Active. That thing don't sound bad at all, man. All right, let's go into the waves EL Juan. Let's bypass that. Activate. All right, man. Honestly, let's be honest on this. Could you guys tell the difference between the two? I heard a slight difference, but I'm not going to lie. This Korneef EL Juan, it sounded pretty good, man. Like I said, the meters were doing some funky thing. I'll show you guys again. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Let's hit play and cut this on. Like I don't like the way the meters jump around. It's kind of confusing. But other than that, for me, I like the way this plugin looks. So let's go into another way I like to use this plugin. I like to use the plugin, these limiters here. I like to use limiters when having an overall mix, or if I'm at the studio recording a vocal and I just want to give the artist something to leave with. So what I'll do now, I'll play a vocal and I'll play the beat with the vocal and just show you guys what we'll do. So first, let's dial this in. We're gonna use the Korneef first. We're gonna dial this in and then we'll bring in the Waves L1. So let's go ahead and play. Build it up gradually. Oh, you want smoke? Gravity? Might take your hoe casually. You know how it goes. We'll set it up at -2 for the ceiling. Auto release. You know how it go. It just me and Shook. You know it's a hit, legit. We just some dogs or something. Yeah, the city will pause and stop it. Yeah, you might want to call or something. Yeah, I had to build it up gradually. Oh, you want smoke? Gravity? Might take your hoe casually.
Bypass.
You know how it goes. Just check out my wrist. Just check out my flow. Look at your bitch, then pass it to bro. Get the assist. You know how it go. It just me and Shook. You know it's a hit, legit. We just some dogs or something. Yeah, the city will pause and stop it. Yeah, you might want to call or something.
All right, so that was the El Juan. Now let's make the same settings here with the Waves L1. So we have the threshold, -7.4. We have the ceiling at -2. With the auto release on. Now let's bypass this, of course. Now let's go right into this Waves L1.
Had to build it up gradually. Oh, you want smoke? Gravity? Might take your hoe casually. You know how it goes. Just check out my wrist. Just check out my flow. Look at your bitch, then pass it to bro. Get the assist. You know how it goes. It just me and Shook. You know it's a hit, legit. We just some dogs or something. Yeah, the city will pause and stop it. Yeah, you might want to call or something. Yeah, I had to build it up gradually. Oh, you want smoke? Gravity? Might take your hoe casually. You know how it goes.
All right, I like the way that sounds right there. So let's shorten this area. And let's try that again, man. So let's go to, we'll start with the Waves L1. Then we'll go into the Korneef EL Juan and see which one you guys think sounds better.
Then pass to the bro, get the assist. You know how it go. It just me and Shook. You know it's a hit, legit. We just some dogs or something. Yeah, the city will pause.
This is the Waves L1.
Yeah, you might want to call or something. Yeah, then pass to the bro, get the assist. You know how it go. It just me and Shook. You know it's a hit, legit. We just some dogs or something. Yeah, the city will pause and stop it. Yeah, you might want to call or something.
Here's the Korneef EL Juan.
Get the assist. You know how it go. It just me and Shook. You know it's a hit, legit. We just some dogs or something. Yeah, the city will pause and stop it. Yeah, you might want to call or something. Yeah, then pass to the bro. Get the assist. You know how it go. It just me and Shook. You know it's a hit, legit.
All right, bypass that.
Some dogs or something. Yeah, the city will
Waves
pause and
L1.
stop it. Yeah, you might want to call or something. Yeah, then pass to the bro.
All right, let's do one pass of each. First, we'll start with the Waves L1, then we'll go to the Korneef EL Juan.
Then pass to the bro, get the assist. You know how it go. It just me and Shook. You know it's a hit, legit. We just some dogs or something. Yeah, the city will pause and stop it. Yeah, you might want to call or something. Yeah.
All right, that was the Waves L1. Now the Korneef EL Juan.
Then pass to the bro, get the assist. You know how it go. It just me and Shook. You know it's a hit, legit. We just some dogs or something. Yeah, the city will pause and stop it. Yeah, you might want to call or something. Yeah, then pass to the bro, get the assist. You know how it go.
All right, man. Which one you guys think? Yes, sir. That was a great battle right there, man. Which one of those limiters do you guys prefer? Again, one was by Waves, the L1. Another one was a free, I say it again, a free plugin by Korneef called the EL Juan, man. Which one did y'all prefer? Did you guys hear a difference between the two? Not gonna lie, I love the L1 by Waves, but that L1, it got some potential, man. I can't even lie, especially for a free plugin. What do you guys think about both of those limiters, man? If you use them, let's talk about it in the comments below. Hey, do me a favor. Check out my website, mixedbygels.com. I got a bunch of ebooks, a bunch of templates. You can also reach out to me for mixing and mastering services. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video also. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.